Good afternoon, everyone. By the way, I am Mr. Davy Jan Razonado Limbin, a BS Ed 2 student major in mathematics, batch 2. So this afternoon, we will discuss about compound interest. So before I forget, I would like to acknowledge the source of the content of this video is coming from our module in mathematics of investment, prepared by Ma'am Marishan E. Nunong, our instructor. So without further ado, let's continue. Compound interest is defined as the interest calculated on both the amount borrowed and any previous interest. It is also known as interest on interest. Compound interest is standard in finance and economics. So in the context of compound interest, the interest rate per year or per annum is called nominal rate. If that nominal rate is happened quarterly, it means that there will be 4 conversion in 1 year. Similarly, if we say compounded monthly, so there will be 12 conversion in 1 year. So compound interest. We will use this formula in solving compound interest. So the formula is F is equal to P open parentheses 1 plus I raised to the power of n, where if is the if is equal to the compound amount or accumulated value of P at the end of the term, and J is the interest rate per year, and I is equal to the interest rate per period, and the N is equal to the total number of conversion period, and M is the number of conversion period per year, and T is equal to term. How do we get I? Only the number of interest rate per year divided by the number of conversion period per year, the M. And how do we get N? So multiply the term or the 12 years term or the 4 years term, just like that, multiply it by the number of conversion period per year. Okay? So to understand it clearly, I will give you some example. Example number 1A. If 2,500 is invested at 13% compounded quarterly for 12 years. So to compute the compound amount and the interest, we will use the formula F equals P open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis raised to the power of n. So here are the given. The given is the principal is 2,500 pesos, and the J is 13% or 0.13, and the T is 12 years. That's our term, 12 years term, and M is for since it is compounded quarterly. Okay? And N is equal to P times M is equal to 4 times 12 equals 48. And I is equal to J over M is equal to 0.13 divided by 4 is equal to 0.0325. So by the use of the formula, this formula, we will solve the compound interest. Okay? By the use of the formula. So if is equal to P open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis n. So our principal is 25 and multiply it by 1 plus 0.0325 raised to the power of 48. So is equal to 2,500 times 1.0325 raised to the power of 48. So 1.0325 raised to the power of 48 is equal to 4.6421,893. So multiply by 25, so is equal to 11,605.47325 or 11,605.47. Okay? So another example. Example 1b. If 3,700 is invested at 12% compounded semi-annually for 5 years. So we will compute the compound value or compound amount and the interest. Okay? So here are the given. The given is, the principal is 3,700 and the G is 12% and our time is 5 years and the M is equal to 2 and N is equal to T times the number of conversion period per year is equal to 2 times 5 is equal to 10 and I is equal to J over M is equal to 0.12 over 2 is equal to 0.06. So by the use of the formula, F is equal to P open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis raised to the power of N. So let's substitute the value, the given value. Okay? So 3,700 times 1 plus 0.06 raised to the power of 10 is equal to 3,700 times 1.06 raised to the power of 10 and 1.06 raised to the power of 10 is equal to 1.790847697. Then multiply it by 3,700 is equal to 6,626.136477 or 6,626.14. Okay, that's all for this afternoon. Hope you will learn from this video because it is very important, especially when we talk about money, when we invest our money and when we borrow money. Thank you for watching.